Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you are doing well and enjoying my recipes. Today I am shooting my video after a long time since I was very busy with other stuff. Today I am going to quickly introduce something interesting, that is the peri peri black chicken masala. For that I have taken 250 grams of chicken. I'm going to experiment this peri peri masala. So you can see that Smith & Joe's is offering some peri peri masalas in small sachet. So you can bring this, and I'm going to use black salt. In the marination, I have taken this green chili, coriander, ginger and garlic paste. This is almost 2 tablespoons. And for the marination process, I have made use of curd, this peri peri masala, black salt, red chili powder, and few drops of lemon. That's it. So this marination has been kept for around an hour, and now I am going to prepare this peri peri black salt chicken masala. Let's get started with the recipe. Here you can see I have taken the chicken from the bowl into the kadhai, and we will keep our gas flame on low to medium. Allow the chicken to cook on low to medium flame. Finally, my peri peri black salt chicken masala is ready. It has turned beautiful golden orange, and just can't wait to have this delicious chicken. And this is the country style chicken that I have bought, so that my dish will be more healthier and tastier. Just simple process of marination and some experimental ingredients can make this chicken more delicious. Do try it. Let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching Food Chemistry by Amrita.